Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. I have Brooklyn eating this box right here that I got, and I wasn't even too sure who I got it from. I'll show you the return label here. I couldn't really make it out, but I kind of read it and it did look like, yep, it says Boxycharm. So I opened it up. I didn't know if this was my Boxycharm for the month or what, because I thought I already got my Boxycharm for this month. Yep, they're add-ons. Add-ons. Let me see if, hi Brooklyn. Hi Brooklyn. She's just over here staring at me. I don't know if you can see her right there. She's just looking at her mama. All right, so I don't think it has the prices. No, I don't see any prices. Okay, so the first thing I bought was this Boxycharm Beauty Washing Machine. It's a washing machine for your brushes, your eye brushes, your blush brushes, and it runs off batteries. So I was kind of curious about this. I don't wash my brushes. I know that sounds gross to a lot of people, but I usually just, when they get gross, I throw them away. And I have so many brushes from these subscriptions that it's like I don't really even need to wash them because I have so many. But I know that sounds gross to a lot of you. Sorry. You can tell me how disgusting that is in the comments below, but be nice about it. Tell me how disgusting it is, but be nice about it. Okay, so this is what this looks like. I'm trying to get it out of here, out of the box. Brooklyn, stop eating the box. So it looks like a little washing machine. This is so adorable, I thought. So I don't exactly know how it works yet. I'm gonna have to figure that out. But it is so cute. In my opinion, this is so cute. So again, it works on batteries, and I don't know. I'll have to figure it out, let you know. Maybe I'll do a review of this on my channel. We'll check it out together. And I will start washing my brushes. Yay! All right, then I got this donut. It's an eye donut care, and it is an eyeshadow palette, of course, by Violet Voss. It's the mini donut palette. Okay, I'm reading on my iPad, so don't want to get anything wrong, because I can't open it without ripping the box. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep it because I ordered it as an add-on. Oh, you know, the add-ons, I don't know if it's different now or what, but you have to, if you don't have a certain amount of money, for your add-ons, you have to pay for shipping. I didn't remember them doing that before, like when I first started. And I just first started this about 3 months ago. I mean, I am on a 6-month thing with Ipsy, and I don't remember them having that when I first started, where I had to pay for shipping. Or maybe I just ordered enough all the time in the add-ons that I didn't notice. But here are the colors of this palette. I love the colors of this palette. What drew my attention the most was this green right here in the middle, or turquoise, or whatever, aqua, whatever you want to call it, sea green. That is so pretty. This blue is a little dark for me. But yeah, I do love all the colors here, except maybe that blue is a little dark. But here it is. I think it's very pretty. Okay, so I got that. Then I got this Mud Masky. It is Moisture Boost. Let me see, I can just read off here. It's a vitamin infused eye serum. So here is an eye serum. Always looking for something for my under eyes. I've noticed stuff with caffeine works better for my under eyes than anything else. But I think when I added this, says low battery on my phone, so I better hurry. But I think when I added this, I added it because I had to reach that certain amount so I can get free shipping. But I do like things with caffeine for my eyes, my under eyes. I don't think that has caffeine in it. This is called Blink, an ultra volume tubing mascara, which I've always wanted to try, the tubing mascara. Very excited about this. I'm not going to open it again because the clock starts ticking. But here it is. It's, what is it? Blink Cosmetics Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara in black. Blink, B-L-I-N-C. So I hope that's it because I'm kind of running out of time. Okay, there's one more. Oh, yes. Pores. I'm having a big issue with pores. I don't get it. Sometimes I look in the mirror when I'm on my way to work or on my way somewhere. I just look in my mirror in my car and I'm like, wow, yuck. So I decided I just need more stuff to, Bella just grabbed something off the table. I just needed some stuff for my pores. So I bought this. This is a Touch in Sol no Pore Blem Primer. Like no problem, you know, pore blem. So it is a primer. I think it's a spray. Isn't it a spray? Let me see. I'm not sure. Or is it just a, no, this is a lotion here. Not a lotion, a primer, but you know. Let's see. How much primer are you supposed to use anyway? I just use it all over my face. Feels very silky and soft. But yeah, I need something. My pores, I don't know. The older I get, it's just not good. Now I've got that dark spot somewhere over here. It's just getting worse. 51 next month. 51. Big 5-1. No. Okay, and then I just got this thing. Oh, this is the directions for the washing machine. I think that's it, you guys. I think that's all I can do, in fact, until I charge my phone. So, thank you so much for watching. And please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you can, leave a comment down below. And what else? Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. I would greatly appreciate it. I do weekly giveaways every Sunday. And oftentimes you'll see Brooklyn. She's usually trying to eat my stuff or something like that. Anyway, everyone, thank you for taking about 8 minutes out of your day to watch this video. I greatly appreciate it and have a great day.